So I'm thinking about sex, and I'm wondering something. What I'm wondering is, why did nature make sex so desirable? Why did nature think it was necessary to make sex a desirable activity that men would want to pursue for the pleasure of sex? Even leaving children aside, sex itself is the thing that men want very much. Now, children result on occasion, and obviously that's necessary for society and all that. But sex is the thing that motivates men, not the desire for children. So I'm wondering, what if sex had nothing to do with children? What if sex didn't have much appeal? What if sex didn't have all the enjoyment that comes with sex? What if sex was just an ordinary activity with no positive feedback, with no enjoyment aspect of it? What if sex was like brushing your teeth or something? What if sex was just a functional thing that you did to get more children, but it had no pleasure associated with it? So if sex was just an activity to produce children with no enjoyment to it, would there be a problem with society? In other words, what I'm doing is I'm wondering why nature thought it necessary to make sex such an enjoyable, pleasurable activity, a very desirable activity. Why did nature want sex to be something for men to aim for? Why did nature make sex such a big deal? Why isn't sex just a functional activity to produce children? Just an activity to produce children with no pleasure associated with it at all. Why did nature make sex a pleasurable activity that men would crave? I'm wondering if it's necessary for society to function for men to desire sex intensely.